Hello and welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your robot event-driven using the touch sensor. And by the end of this video, what we are going to be able to do is to build a robot which is indefinitely waiting for the touch sensor to be pressed. And I want you to pay attention here. The moment I press the touch sensor, you see that the brick will transition the colors of the light here through all the colors that it is able to show. So when I press it, you can see that it goes from red to amber to yellow to green, and then the program has finished running. So I'm going to switch to the code view so that you will be able to see how to write this code. Alright, so this program is a simple modification to what we had in the previous lesson. And over here, what I have done is I call a function called wait for pressed. What this function does is to wait indefinitely. So what it means is when the program gets to this line 10, it is actually going to pause. So everything below it is not going to run because it will pause. It's a blocking call. So it blocks execution of everything that follows it. And that is what makes it event driven. So basically, when you press the touch sensor, then the execution is going to fall over to the next lines of the code that remains there. So for this, I want you to remember that it is going to block indefinitely. Okay? This is for pressed. So it is going to wait until you have pressed the touch sensor. There is also another function that is called released. So this is used when you want the robot to wait until the touch sensor has been released. So whenever you are building a program such that your assumption is the touch sensor is already pressed in, and when it is released, the robot has to take certain actions, then you use this wait for released. And there is also wait for bump, which is basically when it waits for the sensor to be pressed down and then released. Okay, now what other thing you can do is we can specify a timeout here. So it is called timeout ms, and then this is the number of seconds that you want the waiting to be done for. So if I set this to, let's say, 1 second, and the program waits, but after 1 second I have not bumped the touch sensor, then it is going to continue with the next line anyway. Let's run this program and then let's check out how it behaves on the robot. So I think the program is going to come there, and I didn't have to press it, but after 1 second of not pressing it, it goes ahead to animate the rainbow with the LEDs, and the program has ended. The timeout ms function, as you are seeing, is applicable to wait for pressed, wait for release, and also wait for bump. There is also a sleep ms, which is how much you want it to sleep while waiting. Thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.